So the camera overheated.
Welcome back.
We were watching a movie from 1987 called Killer Workout. We still haven't found out who the killer is, so don't leave it in the comments. Don't
It's a nail biter.
Anyway, 21 Road. We're on 21 Road. So there's this one part of 21 Road where you have to leave the trail because if you want to get around, on one side there's a huge, which you will see, and the other one's just a road. So we went on the road.
You don't necessarily leave the trail. You just go to the road instead of the trail.
It's a bypass.
Yeah.
And an access road. We take the access road and parked and walked back. In that amount of time, Randy's tire left the bead and rolled his vehicle.
And it rolled in the weirdest way where the wheel was stuck. We had to pull it upright and forward.
Two vehicles with winches. And then it's hilarious because he had such a struggle and then the other two buggies went right up it. Like it was not even, but it's because his tire came off the bead. And when you're dealing with 40s, it's a lot of tire underneath the wheel to all of a sudden not have anymore.
Not be there.
Okay, right there.
He's got it. That's where you're shining that. Woo! Nice!
Hey, that was crazy. I don't know if they're gonna turn on or keep going. We lost Tony as well, and Randy, so
Oh, I wonder if Tony just turned around?
we'll see what they're doing. Your front top's spinning. Is that what that coffin sound is? My front locker failure. Oh, I'm too poor for that. Went to school. That's nice.
Well, front locker failure, which is never good when you're in the middle of the...
Oh, Kim, are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, I was recording it. Oh, yeah.
She was making mistakes. How did you fall?
Now without Rouge steering sneaky.
Headed back. Can't finish without a front locker, especially not the end of 21 Road.
Not the obstacles they were getting at.
What time is it?
Like 10-ish.
So we started at 7-ish and had a
10,
lot of
19.
issues. And we are turning around at 10. So probably gonna get out of here in like half an hour. It's usually pretty quick. 45 minutes maybe.
So, good old Beque. Beque. If you've ever driven on I-70 through Colorado, if you've driven past Denver all the way to Utah, you've driven past Beque. 500 people?
I think it's more than that, because I think it was 500 people in 2018. So, I mean, it's been 5 years. So I would say...
600?
Yeah, maybe.
Insignificant.
Yeah.
Not important.
Very small.
We used to live there. We still own property there. It's a beautiful town. Take your money
really
there.
Is.
If you ski, go there. Please, we want it to grow. Powderhorn is nearby.
Take your money. There's only like one place to eat and like a couple shops.
Hey, Reckless Roadhouse. Shout out. Just
There's
opened.
a salon.
Pretty good.
It opened like 8 months ago.
Anyway, small town. They have small, what's that? Simple mind, simple pleasures. Is that the saying?
I think you are borderline getting rude right now. So let's
Number 1, how dare you?
talk about what's happening here.
Burnout contest. I keep looking at the screen and the fucking. Anyway, burnout contest.
It actually is kind of fun.
It was beautiful.
I wish that more people would go and participate, because I think if more people knew about it, they would participate.
It's 35 miles from town, from tiny town, Grand Junction.
But still, if you live in Grand Junction, you're prepared to drive a little bit. Like 35 miles is not that far. If you have a vehicle that can do a burnout competition.
Well, regardless, it was so much fun to record. This is my drone. This is why I can get so close. No one's allowed this close. But of course, the quadcopter, who cares? Yeah.
Yeah, you would have been covered in junk
Yeah, think of,
had you been walking.
think of the
Yeah, the
burnout
contest.
Barnyard Bash.
Barnyard Bash,
Yeah,
there you go.
SEMA. Another video, you should go watch of ours. Anyway, if you want to watch a whole video, there's like a 10-minute video on my photography channel.
Oh yeah, like the whole thing.
I'll link it.
Catch it while you can.
So the reason why we didn't do any videos this year is because I have been preoccupied in
Life?
what would you call it?
Renovating?
We have a rental property in Beque, and we spent the entire year renovating it. We spent $10,000 and
Turned it from?
probably $10,000 in my man hours too, because of the time spent. If we were to have to pay someone,
it was a lot.
But here's the before and afters. They're real quick, 1 second each. So you'll see how much work that we did to get it to where it was just a normal house, so we could rent it out to a lovely family from Utah.